Every support team fights the same quiet battle. Tickets arrive all day, from email, from chat, from the phone. Everyone is raw, messy, unstructured text. And someone has to read each message, decide which queue it belongs in, judge how upset the customer is, and catch the ones that are on fire, all by hand. There is a faster way, and it never leaves your database. First, one thing to trust. Every table DeltaForge builds is a real Delta Lake table, just data files plus an append-only transaction log sitting in a folder. Each change is one atomic commit. Readers always see a single consistent snapshot, even while new commits are landing. It is the Open Delta protocol, so any engine can read it. Not a proprietary box, the open standard, done fast. So how do you get a language model to read every ticket? The old way is a maze. Export the data to Python, call an external AI service, wire up a pipeline, then write the answers back. Every hop is another system to run and another copy of your data to secure. DeltaForge turns it inside out. The model runs as a function inside the query on the very node where the table lives. You bring the model to the data instead of shipping the data to the model, and all of it is just SQL. You register a model once, and the API key stays sealed inside the vault. After that, you get a whole family of AI functions: classify a ticket, read its sentiment, summarize it, pull out structured fields, translate it, even turn it into a vector for search. Let us point them at a real queue. Show models list what the engine can call. 2 entries, ticket assistant, a chat model for the reasoning, and ticket embedder for vectors. You see the config, never the key. 1 insert overwrite, 4 AI calls per row. AI classify picks the queue from a fixed list. AI analyze. Sentiment reads the mood. AI generate rates urgency. AI summarize writes the summary. 6 rows written, 1 file created, version 6. The model ran inside the write, not beside it. Now select the gold table. Free text became 4 typed columns you can filter and join like any other. A group by on category, a count, and a sum over the negative rows. No AI in this query. It already ran, so routing is just aggregation. A where clause on 2 AI columns. Sentiment negative, urgency high. The tickets a lead must see first, each carrying the summary the model wrote. AI extract takes the field names you want, refund amount and order ID, and returns them as compact JSON, 1 object per row, ready to hand to a refund workflow. AI generate embeddings turns each ticket into a vector, and cosine distance ranks them against the phrase you search for. Smallest distance wins, and the real outage never used those words. AI translate writes Norwegian, AI fix grammar cleans the original, and the US model clause names the model inline. 2 calls, 1 query. That is support ticket intelligence. A raw, chaotic queue became triaged, prioritized, searchable, and localized without ever leaving SQL, and without your data ever leaving the table. Reach for it whenever the signal you need is trapped inside text. The language model came to your data. DeltaForge, bring the LLM to your data.